Need to delete a project from your project view but not sure how? In this quick video, we can show you. Deleting projects is a great way to remove project work that is no longer needed. Maybe you started a test project to use as you were learning how Edge worked. Or maybe you started a project to look at a specific function inside the order form. To delete a project, go to the Edge Project tab. Find the project you want to delete and click once to highlight it. Then click the trash can button located at the top right. This will remove the project permanently, deleting it. One important thing to note regarding the delete button. If the project is a master PPOF, it cannot be deleted. If you need it removed, contact your Currie's customer service professional and they can help initiate that request. Currie's Edge is proud to offer solutions to help you manage your projects. Thank you for using Currie's Edge. Check out our other Edge videos to help you get the most out of this online ordering tool.